Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer this question that everyone has in their mind on AI, that is artificial intelligence. Can AI really think like humans? Are we there yet? The simple and straightforward answer for this is simply no. Okay? AI cannot think by itself. Humans can think by themselves, but AI cannot. Let me explain more details about how it feels, that AI is actually thinking, but in reality, the AI is not thinking by itself. Humans are thinking, but AI is not thinking. What is the power of AI and what is the power of the humans? All those details I'm going to cover. This simple, straightforward topic is very important, to clear all the mental blockages you have been holding inside and, getting worried like AI is going to take away your jobs. What is the reality in that? Is AI really impacting the human beings' jobs because it can think by itself, or what exactly is happening in the market right now? All these details I'm going to cover in this session. So let's begin. So, can AI really think? Is the question. Can AI really think like humans? As I already mentioned, the answer is no. So, we are in the AI era. Okay. We are in the AI era. Okay. AGI. Okay. AGI is the next term. General intelligence, artificial general intelligence. Here, the AI will get, when we call the systems have acquired this AGI capabilities, when they have cognitive capabilities like humans. Okay, when the machines think similar to the humans, really, okay, it's like natural, whatever the natural human thinking is there, that cognitive human brain thinking behavior, if the machines get, then we can call that systems as AGI. Are we there yet? The answer is no. No, guys, we are not at this AGI level. Okay, people are still working on this towards achieving this AGI, but at this point of time, it's not there. We have not actually reached it. You can search in the Google, guys. Okay, AI versus AGI. Okay, AI stands for artificial intelligence, whereas AGI stands for artificial general intelligence. There is a difference, right? AI and AGI. Okay. It's a more advanced form of AI. AGI is a more advanced form of okay, AI, where AGI is aiming to replicate human level cognitive thinking levels. Okay, like if the machines, computer machines or some machines are able to think similar to the human beings, then we can say there is AGI. But are we there yet? No. At this point of time, AGI is not there. Okay, what we have is AI. But can AI really think like humans? Having the same cognitive thinking capabilities like human beings? The answer is no. It is a good thing, right? It's a good news for us actually, because if they get AGI cognitive capabilities, they will replace us basically. Okay, all the machines will become, become dominant and will become, we even don't have to think. They will think for us, and don't know whether they will think for us or they will dominate us. Okay, that kind of era we have not reached. But at this situation, AI cannot think by themselves like human beings can think using their cognitive capabilities in their mind and all. But AI cannot think like that. Okay. So, but how can the current machines trick us in making us believing that they are able to think? How this AI systems which are in use nowadays, okay? Everywhere we are seeing a lot of software tools and everything, right? Regarding the AI, like generative AI tools and many other things. Self-driving cars, it may be, what we call that, Alexa, okay? Voice assistants, and no, and many more, okay? Many more areas, these AI systems are there now, and they trick us in believing that this kind of devices are able to think. You see, when you give a voice command to Alexa, Alexa, play this song, okay? It will go and understand your voice, and how it's able to understand your voice, how it's able to grab your voice or something. Okay, all these things are related to AI. But is it actually Alexa device or the self-driving cars are actually thinking? No. How they are tricking us in making us believing that this particular current existing AI systems, or the machines which are AI enabled and all those things are able to think, how we are able to believe that these things are actually really thinking, but actually they are not thinking. Okay, AI systems doesn't have their own thinking capabilities, but they trick us in making us believe that they are able to think. How this all is possible? Okay, so you need to understand a fundamental concept, guys. Assume that this is a machine, let's say computer machine. Okay. So what the scientists have discovered here is, if we can train this computer machine with enormous amount of data, large amount of data. If you train this computer machine with a large amount of data, okay, by using some algorithms like machine learning algorithms or deep seek algorithms or whatever it is, okay, the data is being trained to this computer machine, large amounts of data, okay, that human beings cannot digest so much amount of data. That much amount of large amount of data which is available over internet, everywhere, in the books, whatever it can be, okay, is pumped into this machines, okay, by training them with this enormous large set amount of data. Now, okay, there is a kind of algorithms or something which will enable this data, okay, to be trained to this machine. Once the machine gets trained with enormous amount of data, whatever you ask this particular machine, it's giving you some solution. It's giving you something, in making us believing that it is actually thinking and giving us some answer. Is it really thinking? This machine is really thinking? No. It got some experience from this data. It doesn't have any thinking capabilities, but the machine has been trained with enormous amount of data, and it has gained lot of experience. But without any thinking capabilities, it has gained some experience. Now, if you ask something, it will give you the answer. This is what is the current state of the AI systems, guys. Okay, the technology that the AI and all machine learning, data science, and whatever you say, neural networks and transform, all these keywords are there, right? All are behind the same concept. Very simplistic. You have to explain means the data is being trained. Large enormous amount of data is being trained to these computer machines having very high capabilities and configurations and all, and to gain lot of experience. Okay, once they gain lot of experience, you will ask something, they will give it to you. Okay, but here, okay, but here they don't think. Okay, these machines are not thinking. Doesn't have any cognitive capabilities. The humans, you are using these AI tools with the help of these machines which are trained with large amount of data, have to think and get the results, and do their work faster. Okay, to increase their productivity, they have to use this kind of AI tools, because machines doesn't have their own thinking capabilities. But it has one strength, where experience. Okay, by training this particular machine with large sets of data, this machine got lot of experience. That is its skill set. And our skill set as human beings is intelligence, cognitive thinking, behavior, and all. Two combined will result in success. Two combined will result in success. This is what is the current situation, guys. Okay, this is what is the current situation. Let me explain this concept with a real world example. Let's say you got some fever, okay? You got some fever or some disease or something you got, and you generally go to a hospital, right? In that hospital, okay, there are two counters, okay? You went to one hospital, guys, some XYZ hospital. You visited one XYZ hospital with some problem. You got some problem, you need the treatment, okay? Now, there are two doctors. Here is one doctor, here is one doctor. This doctor so far has seen only 25 cases. A new doctor appointed here in the hospital, and as a new joinee, having only 25 cases he has seen. Just 25 cases. But this doctor has seen 1 lakh cases. Assume that this particular doctor has solved a lot of cases. Now, if I ask you to go and get yourself treated with one of the doctor here, which doctor you generally choose? Definitely you'll go with the doctor who has gained a lot of experience by, okay, taking more than 1 lakh cases. You will not go to the doctor who has solved 25 cases, but you will go to the doctor and see who has a lot of patients database and has treated a lot of patients, that doctor you will prefer, right? Same thing here also, guys. Okay, these computer machines which we are saying AI systems which are trained with enormous amount of data are gaining this kind of experience in no matter of time. Okay, they are gaining experience because of no matter of time. Even though they doesn't have any thinking capabilities, they are gaining experience faster than us, faster than human beings, because of their high configurations, because of the all the technologies that are surrounded, technologies that are supporting the systems, like data science. Enormous amount of data is available on the internet, and configurations of the systems are exploding like anything now. Okay, the speed, performance, RAM, whatever you call, processors and all high configurations they can use. And nowadays everyone is working on the algorithms, machine learning algorithms. Okay, lot of algorithms are coming into picture, advanced algorithms are coming into the picture, which are making this data read by these machines in a faster manner, in an effective and organized and perfect manner, so that the machines can be trained very fast and can gain a lot of experience like this doctor in no matter of time. Okay, in less amount of time these machines are becoming as experienced as this doctor, so that you go and approach this one and get your answers. Even though they cannot think, they have this experience kind of capability by going by learning from enormous amount of data. So now when you ask something, by gaining experience from this enormous amount of data, these machines will behave like they know everything. They are thinking of, actually, they make us feel like they are thinking. Okay, they can think. But in fact, really, internally, they are not thinking, guys. They are actually answering from their experience from this enormous amount of data. This what is the one thing or one main thing that you have to understand this particular questions. Can AI really think like humans? The answer is simple, straightforward, no. Okay. So if tomorrow, coming days, we don't know, guys, a lot of people are skeptical on this, okay, whether this will be possible or not. There are like 50-50 chances. Let's say some people are saying that it's not possible, some people are saying that it is possible, we'll try, okay, like that. So if this is possible, then machines can think, but till then machines or AI systems cannot think, guys. Once we get these AGI systems, they can think, but we are not we are in the direction, but we have the scientists or anyone who is working on this AI direction has not reached this particular level it. Okay, so at this point of time, AI systems cannot think, guys. Okay, they only gain experience from enormous amount of data and solve your problems and making us believe that they actually can think. Okay, which is not correct. Fine. So now, impact of this AI on the job market. Okay, what is the impact of this AI and its tools on job market? You see, is there any impact? Yes, there is an impact, guys. Yes, definitely there is an impact, guys. You see, whatever the work that will take good amount of time can be now done in, okay, good amount of days, okay, can be now done in hours or minutes, okay. Whatever the work that you have to do at your projects or whatever it is, which generally takes days. For example, think about writing a simple email, guys. Simple email, you think about, you have to send an email to the client. Okay, I have worked as a project lead and all those stuff, test lead and all those stuff in my previous companies and all. When I used to work, right, after completing the work, to send an email, I used to take, 30 minutes sometimes or 40 minutes sometimes. Okay, I need to get this email reviewed by my senior sometimes. Okay, all this process used to take a lot of time. But now, because of the AI tools, okay, I just need to give a simple prompt in generative AI tools. I just need to give a simple prompt that to so and so client, I need to send an email with so and so details and all. Can you draft a proper email? Means I'll get complete template. I'll copy paste and modify it and send it to the client. It is saving a lot of time for me. Instead of me spending 30 minutes or 40 minutes on the email, maybe within 5 or 10 minutes max, I can send that email, right? That's what is happening nowadays. The time, okay, the time that need to be taken for completing your work is getting reduced. And what happens when such kind of situation occurs? Okay, obviously the number of resources that are needed by the project, earlier if 10 resources are needed by the project, earlier if 10 resources are needed by the project, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now maybe they'll cut the resources, guys. Okay, maybe they'll cut this 10 resources to 5 resources. What will happen? Automatically job cuts will happen. The number of resources will be reduced. Okay, who will be removed from the projects? Out of these 10 people, who will be removed from the project? Okay, the one who are not performing well. in the project. Okay, out of this 10 people, 5 people will stay and 5 people have to be reduced, because the company don't have to unnecessarily waste the budget, right? They have to get the profits in minimum budget. Okay, that's what is the goal of every company. Because of these AI tools, if the companies are using the AI tools, they'll get a feeling that, why to have these 10 people, now all the work is can be done, the speed of the work can be enhanced with the help of this AI tools. So why to have this 10 people for this project? We can reduce the project members to 5 members if we can, if they can use AI tools and speed up their work. Why we need all this? Okay, so kind of competition will arise with this 10 people, and the remaining 5 people, 5 people got removed, and whatever the people left out here have proved themselves in the kind of performance. They have used some AI tools. Okay, with the help of these AI tools, using its experience in speeding up their work and being productive, and using their intelligence combination of two, they were able to work smarter and better compared to the other remaining 5 people. The people who are lagging here and unable to use AI tools and all. Okay, anyhow, out of this 10, 5 need to be removed. Okay, who will be that 5 unlucky people? The one who are not performing well when compared to these 5 people. They are not performing well, maybe because they are not using AI tools, or they are not using the AI tools as effective as these 5 people, whatever it may be. Okay, the company at the end of the day wants the work to be completed. Who is doing the work better and all those stuff? They will decide based on that performance, based on that. Okay, so remaining all people will be removed, guys, and only the people who are required for the project will be kept. And that's the reason, guys, nowadays everywhere. Okay, you are seeing the news like, okay, Microsoft has laid off this many people, and Google has laid off this many people. I know all these people are falling into this bracket where their work can be automated, and with the help of these AI tools, and can be done faster with less amount of resources. That's what is the main reason. Will it completely remove the jobs? Means answer is no. Will AI and its tools impact the job market? Means definitely yes, guys. The number of resources required will be reduced. So impact is there. Yes, impact is there. But will it completely remove the job roles? No. Okay. People are still required, because to use these AI tools, we need the people. Okay. Because AI tools cannot think by themselves. We need to have the combination of the people, human intelligence of the best, human intelligence of the best people, along with these AI tools, which will have only the experience but not the thinking abilities. Combination of this high performing people having the AI knowledge, and can, are productive people, along with this, AI systems and all, will result in the success. That's what the companies are behind, guys. So, going ahead, until the number of projects rises and number of more people are required in the market, okay, to work on the projects, this situation will go on in the industry where, the kind of resources will be cut down slow by slow. A good number of jobs will be cut off, and only the people who are kind of proving themselves as very productive in the market, and who know who can work on a lot of skill sets in the market, can survive in the industry, guys. Remaining all people will be left out, and they will be replaced by the people who know the AI. Okay, AI will not replace these jobs, guys. The one who know the AI tools and can use AI tools to an extent where they can become more productive will replace the other, okay, people. Okay, so for them only the jobs will be there. The other people have to leave the company. Okay, so hope, guys, you got an idea what exactly, can AI really think like humans? This exact question I was okay. So what is the impact of AI on the job market, and all this stuff I have covered in this session, guys. Hope, guys, you got some knowledge out of this session. So that's all for this session. Okay, that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.